So the last thing that we're going to do here is just kind of look through and see what's going on. We've got a list of the balls. They're also over here. They are sprites. We've got the global variable named score set to 0. We have one procedure that sets the balls moving around. When the screen initializes, we have the balls appear and then start moving, as well as the light bulb. If any of the balls are touched, then the score is increased. Just remember that because there are 5 balls, the score happens for each one of them, so you need to handle that and figure out how to make that work better. Here, a ball will disappear if it reaches the edge. And then over here, we have the clock timer, which gets things moving around. It's over here. Settings are on the designer side. This is what happens if the person touches the canvas. They lose points. If they touch the light bulb, they get points, as well as the balls you saw before. Now here's the scoring procedure. So this is if they lose points. So if they lose points, they're going to take that global number and subtract 1 from it and update the text. You can use a label. I used a score text box, but you could use either. Here, if you get points, you can see the opposite happens, where a point is added, and again, the same is created. I could have made a procedure for that. If they get up to 5, you made that the winning score. And then here you have what happens when it wins and when it loses. So I have everything coming through these text labels, but you could use a notifier. You could try lots of different ways of doing it. You don't have to do it this way. This is just one way to do it.